When it comes to buying real property management software, there are key factors you need to know before making that investment. You might have already come across a few options, but how does real property management stack up compared to its competitors? Let's break it down. First off, real property management offers a comprehensive set of features that can be great for property owners and managers. It allows you to manage both residential and commercial properties, keeping everything in one place. But while it's solid, some competitors provide more intuitive user interfaces or specialized tools that cater to certain needs. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Real property management isn't necessarily the cheapest option on the market. Some competitors, like AppFolio, offer competitive pricing, but with more robust features like built-in CRM and marketing tools. If you're focused on budget, there are cheaper alternatives that can cover basic needs without breaking the bank. The third thing you need to know is scalability. If you're running a small property management business, real property management can be a great choice. But if you're growing fast, some other platforms like Buildium or Propertyware might scale more easily, offering more advanced features as your needs grow. The fourth thing is automation. While real property management has a good automation system for rent collection and accounting, it might lack the more advanced automation found in competitors like Rentec Direct, which offers more personalized automation options and detailed customization. Next thing, the mobile app experience. Real property management does have a mobile app, but it doesn't always deliver the smoothest user experience. Competitors like AppFolio and Buildium offer more polished apps with better functionality, making them more appealing for on-the-go property managers. The sixth thing you need to know is customer support. Real property management's customer service can be hit or miss. Some users report great experiences, but others mention slow response times. Competitors like Rentec Direct and Buildium offer 24/7 customer support, which might be a deciding factor if you're in need of constant assistance. Now, the seventh thing to consider is the accounting tools. Real property management provides the basics, like payment tracking and reporting, but if you need advanced accounting features, some alternatives offer more comprehensive accounting software integrations, making your life a lot easier. The eighth thing is its integration with third-party tools. Real property management has some integrations, but competitors like AppFolio and Propertyware often have broader third-party app compatibility. If you rely heavily on integrations with marketing tools or CRM, this might be a limitation for you. Next thing, reports and analytics. Real property management's reporting system is decent, but it may not be as deep or customizable as what you'd get with AppFolio, which provides more detailed reporting and advanced data analytics for tracking business performance. The 10th thing to keep in mind is user reviews. Many users feel that real property management is easy to use and cost-effective, but others report that while the software is functional, it sometimes feels outdated compared to more modern systems. If design and intuitive navigation are important to you, you might want to explore other options like Buildium or Rentec Direct. The 11th thing is the onboarding process. Real property management offers a streamlined setup, but some users find it challenging to get started without assistance. Onboarding with competitors like AppFolio tends to be a bit smoother, with better resources and guides. Lastly, while real property management is certainly a solid tool for property managers, it might not be the best solution if you want a platform that combines ease of use with an extensive set of advanced features. There are competitors out there that cater more specifically to larger operations or those in need of unique features. In conclusion, real property management is a good choice if you're looking for a basic yet functional property management tool. But if you're looking for something with better scalability, more robust features, and smoother customer support, consider trying our recommended solution that you can try for free. It's designed for businesses that need to grow, automate, and manage more efficiently. Check out the link below for more details.